feels like a new mistake, but every scar's a move I had to make. They say I'm lost, but I've never felt free. Let the chaos carve a path for me. Don't need a legend, don't need their lines. I'll draw the edges, I'll make the signs. Who says I need their protection? Who says I need their correction? This life's too short to play safe. I'll run the race. So burn the map, set it all on fire. I'll find my way on my own desire. No rules, no chains, no looking back. This heart beats wild, don't need a track. What if the stars don't guide me home? What if the sky turns black and cold?